What's up, everybody? It's a little after 12. It's Monday. It's time to get this Homegating series kicked off, brought to you by Recteq with none other than my good friend.
Yeah.
I know him.
Amen.
You love him. Our barbecue dad,
Slapstick.
Jody Flanagan.
What's up, sports lovers? As you know, this is the greatest time in our lives. We are jam-packed, full of sports, and the Tampa Bay Lightning. Congratulations to the Tampa Bay Lightning for winning that coveted Stanley Cup.
That's what I'm talking about. Bringing it back to the East Coast,
beat
baby.
out the old Dallas Stars. You know, Tampa Bay had a great team last year. You know, they've been long overdue. They hadn't won a Stanley Cup since '02. Had a lot of great players, a lot of great teams over the years. Last year, they got swept by one of the worst teams in the league, the Blue Jackets, in the first round of the playoffs. They had a great team last year. Everybody predicted they were going to win it last year. But this year, they stuck in there with a lot of grit and determination, a lot of power plays.
Yeah.
Oh, God. A lot of power plays, a lot of grit, determination. They stuck it out, and they won this year. Congratulations for bringing it back to the East Coast.
That's right,
I miss the old Atlanta Thrasher days. That used to be our
That was our
close.
Whatever happened to the Thrashers, Jody?
I think they moved to Canada.
Canada?
Yep, now they have a new Canadian team up there.
Okay.
Well, you're welcome, Canada, for taking that Atlanta hockey team from us. But this is Homegating. I'm Jody Flanagan, Barbecue Dad, your Recteq expert. And thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. We've got the RT BFG behind me, Big Frankenstein Grill for those Halloween lovers. BFG, Big Fun Grill. It's burning the Kingsford. What pellet we got in there, John? We got the maple
That's right.
in there today. Burning right along.
That's right.
Delicious.
It is. I like the
Sweet
maple because
maple.
It gives it a nice color to whatever I'm cooking too. Yeah, earthy.
Get an earthy taste.
Yeah, for sure.
To anything that you're cooking, and it goes great with our two dishes today. We're going to be doing, smash that share button, guys. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit that red rectangle. Subscribe to the Kingsford and Recteq's YouTube channel for more amazing content just like this. But we're going to do bacon-wrapped onion pucks, easy peasy lemon squeezy, and then Portobello, stuffed Portobello goalie shrooms.
Yeah,
that's right. You can't have a good team without a good goalie. But you guys, you know, I only have about 10 minutes to do this dish.
That's
I only
right.
have 10 minutes. Got the clock behind me. This is powered by Kingsford. Thank you so much for Kingsford for letting us do this. You guys, make sure you follow them on all social media and go to kingsford.com. But we're live right here at the Recteq Worldwide Headquarters. We welcome you. We're going to get into some Homegating right now. I got to do these two dishes in 10 minutes, John. I don't know if I can do it.
I believe in you, bro.
You believe in me?
Yeah, oh, heck yeah, I believe in you. Shoot, yeah.
Yeah, you helped me prep all this stuff.
That's
right. You
That's
are darn
right.
sure tootin' believing in
I
me
mean,
today.
you're the barbecue dad.
But that's right, guys. Make sure you follow me on all social media, BBQ Dad Jody. But we're going to knock this out of the park today. We're going to slap shot it.
Yeah.
We're going to get a goal. We're going to win.
Yeah.
10 minutes. I'm going to prep both of these, put them in the grill, and then you know what? They're going to be coming right off. I got my tongs. I've got my ingredients. Let me get my mic set.
Get your mic set.
I'm stalling.
No, you got to get ready.
All right,
you got to
John,
have your stuff ready.
We got usually a 10-second countdown, right?
Yeah, I think a 10-second countdown. Let's see. Here we go. 10,
All right,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, all right. First, we're going to start on these. Oh, I've already lost. My spoon is gone. That's okay. I'm going to persevere. First, we're going to start on these mushrooms. Get on in here, Sherp. The way we're going to do these portobellos, we're just going to stuff them with some deliciousness. You guys can stuff them with whatever you like. Ours is going to be a mixture of tomato, cheese, spinach, more cheese, onions, basil, and garlic. So
Yes.
the way you prep these portobellos is you take out that center stem there, and then you just want to rake away, and I'm screwed, rake away these gills here. We're just going to de-gill this mushroom. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. You guys don't have to do this, but this is generally the cooking method, correct, Chef John?
Yes, that's the
for
proper
these
cooking
mushrooms.
method,
All right,
especially
boom.
when you're stuffing them.
Done. I've already got these ready because I'm the man. So these are ready. You can see all the gills are gone. The stem is gone. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Oh, God bless you, Charlie. So we're ready on this. And again, all of these recipes, go to recteq.com/lunch break and you can get them. They're also going to be in the comment section. They're also going to be in the description of this video, I do believe. All right, so we've got Roma tomatoes. All the exact ingredients will be listed. We've got some Roma tomatoes here. We're going to add some baby spinach to that. How did we cut that baby spinach today, Chef John?
We chiffonade that baby spinach.
What?
Chiffonade
What
is
does
a
that
great
mean?
technique to leave it
Basil.
long and stringy
Green
as opposed to just
onions.
rough chopping it.
Garlic minced, baby. And I love shaved Parmesan.
Oh, that's the only way to go, yeah.
Anytime I use Parmesan, it's going to be shaved. Why?
Yes.
Because I don't know, I feel like it's more saltier.
Oh.
It's got a good texture to it. Then we got some mozzarella going right on in there.
Okay.
Easy peasy. A little bit of red wine vinegar.
Mm-hmm.
Extra virgin olive oil, the only kind. And some Colden's freaking Greek rub. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. It's freaking, it's Greekin. It's a rub. It's available at recteq.com. Oh, man, we got to put the riot mode on that. A little bit of seasoning in there. All right, and we got some mixing to do with the best tools the good Lord gave us. We're going to mix it up with our hands. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Mix it up with your hands. You can also put some panko breadcrumbs in here, can't you, Chef John?
Yeah, you can.
If you wanted to, you could stuff these bad boys full of rice and meat, just like I stuffed bell pepper. But we wanted to go the prosciutto kind of way today.
That's right.
Easy peasy. So you'll take, oh man, these delicious mushrooms. I want to amplify this. A little more EVOO. A little more Colden's freaking Greek.
That's
just
right.
on in there, baby.
I'm just saying, because I don't know where they get their mushrooms, but mine don't come pre-seasoned, Jody.
None of my veggies come pre-seasoned,
Nope.
Chef John. You know that. We get them fresh. All right, and I just like to stuff these bad boys to the gill. Huh? They used to have gills. They did. But again, shout out to the Dallas Stars for winning second place.
Okay, Dallas. That's
Tampa
not bad.
Bay, first place.
Hey.
Tampa Bay Lightning.
That's right. People really overstate coming in second. There's not as much pressure when
I'm
you're
telling
second.
I'm telling you, they were they had to get there.
Yeah,
they got
they
all
did.
the way to the end.
They had to get
They
there.
got all the way to the end. Look how pretty these look, guys. Make sure
Look
you
at
smash
my
that share button. Give
pups.
us a like. Give us a love. They look good. They look good. All right. And again, our recipe is going to be for about 4 of these bad boys, but I just did about 8 of these bad boys, but we just did 4. All right. Put these back here, and we'll put them right on the grill. I also have some already ready. Get out of here, Sherp. I don't want them to see these. I've already got some on the Recteq cooking mat, available at recteq.com. All right, so easy. John,
Yeah,
time.
you're 6 minutes.
Oh,
6
man,
minutes.
we're
You're
definitely
killing
going to
it.
win today, boys.
Yeah, you're killing it.
I got time to clean up. All right, we're going to roll right into our bacon-wrapped onion pucks. Now, I know a lot of folks are thinking, oh, it's a bacon-wrapped onion. Cool. Use the big old slices of onion, Jody.
Right, Jody.
No.
No?
No. You want medium to small slices of onion out of here. Why?
Drop it
Because you don't want to use a whole lot of bacon, drop a whole lot of grease in that grill,
There you go.
have a whole lot of stuff to clean up. Again, we're burning the Kingsford maple pellet.
That's right.
Delicious, earthy. It's got some sweetness to it.
That's right. All natural hardwood right
Oh
here
my
from
gosh,
the United
made
States.
right here in North America. Amen to that. Easy peasy. So you slice them up, and again, these be good for beer battered, you know, or
Ooh,
something
yes,
that you got a
sir.
lot of. But bacon, we want the medium to small onions. Okay, big onion, medium onion.
There you go.
Big onion, medium onion. You guys see the difference? So we'll leave the big ones for our beer batter later. That'll be at a later show. And we'll get our medium to small ones out just like that. And don't throw this stuff away, guys. These little ones you can use for other cooking and other recipes. Don't throw that stuff in the trash. You paid for it. All right, so we've got our delicious bacon. Rolling right along.
What kind
John,
of
we
bacon
got
are
any
you using?
questions or anything?
Well, what kind of bacon are you using?
Today we're using the thinly sliced maple bacon. That's right. We're using the maple pellets with maple smoked bacon.
That's what I'm talking about.
Chef Greg actually smoked this bacon during our All About Bacon.
I love it. Our good friend Tom
easy
asked, are
peasy.
those sweet onions?
These are Vidalia onions. I was just about to hit on that. Thank you so much for reminding me. These are sweet onions for our home gating. I don't like... you can use the other onions. They're going to be more of a savory flavor, of course, but I like to use these sweet onions. And again, technique, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, don't overthink it. Just drop it in the hole and wrap it around. Drop it in the hole and wrap it around. See that? Again, if we had a big one, guys, a super large one, it would take 2 slices of bacon. It would take twice as long to prep, and it's produced twice as much grease on the inside of our grill there.
So, Jody, they're talking about seasonings out here.
Okay.
So what are some of your favorite seasonings that we make?
So my favorite seasoning has got to be that Ben's heifer dust, the salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, paprika, general all-purpose. It's just like a GSP. Most seasonings refer to garlic, salt, and pepper, but it's also got that smoked paprika in it. It's also got the onion powder in there. Deliciousness, but it goes great with everything. That's why I like it.
That's what I'm talking
because I can literally season anything with it. And then that Jody's Asian Persuasion, man, it's close behind too. That ginger, garlic, granulated honey, the sweet, the heat, sriracha powder. Oh man, it was so awesome. But what about you, John? What's your favorite? I'm
a huge fan of the honey rib rub.
Right.
Huge
Sweetness.
fan.
We're going to use the honey rib rub today.
Yeah, you know Ross, that man, he knows his rub. So I'm a huge fan of that.
And the bacon is, so John, before it slips out of my head, the easiest way to do this, guys, really cold bacon. Don't let your bacon sit out on the counter like we did.
That's smart.
Really cold bacon is the key. Go ahead, John.
I love the Asian Persuasion. Actually, all of ours. I love them. You know, Colton's Freaking Greek is delicious. So you're only limited really by your imagination when it comes to our spices.
And again, don't use the thick cut bacon either, guys. Thick cut bacon's harder to wrap. You want the thin stuff. And again, when you're picking out your bacon, this is a key. You know, look at the back of that package. You know, look at what condition that bacon is in. If it's cut up in a bunch of pieces and not solid, that is not the bacon you want to use. You want to make sure that the bacon is solid, doesn't have anything kind of hanging off of it, you know, none of these bits and pieces, you know, it stays all together.
All right, Jody, we're coming to the 2-minute warning.
Ooh, Lord, I'm kind of scared, John. We're approaching it. But today, thank you guys for hanging out with us for Homegating. Again, I'm only limited to 10 minutes. They told me, hey, get in and get out, Jody. You talk too much. So, again, we bring you over a 9-week period. We bring you 2 recipes an episode. We got 18 recipes all put together. They're all great for all home gating and tailgating as well when everything opens up.
Yeah.
And again, these, we're going to go in 375 degrees. The Portobellos are going to take probably about 25 minutes. These bacon wrapped onion pucks, they'll probably take about 20 minutes as well. You just want to get them to where this bacon is golden, brown, and what, John?
What? Delicious. You know it, GBD, baby.
Smash that share button, guys. Give us a like. Give us a love. They only give me a few minutes to do this show.
That's right.
Hope you had a great weekend.
Coming into the last minute.
All right, we got the last minute. Okay, and again, if I was fully prepared, I would have 2 of those Recteq cooking mats, which I do. And that food is already on it. So let me go ahead and make way. Clean up my station because I know I've won this one, John.
Yeah.
Guys, smash that share button. Give us a like. Give us a love. You can sign up for this recipe. Recteq.com/lunch break.
Jody, our good friend Sean Woods said his wife brought him home some Olive Garden chicken Alfredo.
Ooh, Lord.
He said he hit it with some heifer dust and it made it great, which is saying something because Olive Garden.
They got some good stuff.
Really?
They got some good stuff,
you
right?
Like Olive Garden?
I like the breadsticks.
I don't like Olive Garden that much.
RT 2500 available at Recteq.com. It's got 2,500 square inches of cooking surface, 55-pound hopper, 6-year warranty. You can fit a big old pig in this thing.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, they done. So we've got our delicious stuffed goalie shrooms.
Yes.
We've got our delicious.
Look at that. Guys, show Jody some
wrapped
love.
Onion pucks. Right on time.
Beep, 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 beep.
The 10 minutes just got done.
Look
I'm
at you,
super
buddy.
clean. What? We knocked it out of the park today, ladies and gentlemen. We're celebrating hockey for game tailgate. Gosh, homegating, John.
Homegating, buddy.
This is called homegating.
That's right.
Why? Because they're not filling up the stands. Tickets are a lot harder to get. Even if they are even selling tickets.
Right, if available.
You know what I'm saying? So a lot of folks are spending more time at home with their families.
Yeah.
They're inviting their friends over.
For sure.
They're upgrading their cooking equipment like you guys should. And they're falling in love with the Recteq They're joining the Recteq family. We got a lot of folks out there that are home gating. Send us your recipe, guys. Post it on social media. Tag us.
That's right.
We would love to see what you guys are cooking out there. Smash that share button. Make sure you follow both Kingsford and Recteq on on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to those channels. That's right.
That's right.
But again, we knocked it out of the park. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. John, it couldn't be easier.
Couldn't
we
have.
prepped it this morning right when we got here.
That's
We
right.
had other work to do.
Yes, sir.
Again, bacon wrapped onion pucks.
Oh,
We've
man.
got our stuffed Portobello goalie shrooms.
Yes.
Delicious. Let's.
They look amazing,
gonna
Jody. Yeah, get into one
I'm
of
gonna
them.
get into one of these really
on
quick.
now.
And again, you can stuff these full of whatever you like, guys. Don't overthink it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Look at that deliciousness.
Man, that looks so
Got cold
good.
and freaking Greek, man.
Right? Sets it on fire.
Delicious seasoning, and then you can taste that maple,
Yeah.
that earthy sweetness from it. Guys, Kingsford pellets are available at Lowe's, soon to be Walmart, Dollar General. Go out there; they're readily available. Publix here
Yeah,
locally
that's right.
in Augusta. Go check them out. Oh, and here's our delicious bacon wrapped onion pucks. I'd probably take these a little bit longer. Sure, get on in here. But look at this color. When they're this color right here, that's when I would pull them off. Normally, we pulled these a little early for you guys, but I'm going to put these back on there. I'll taste one really quick, though. That Ben's heifer dust. Season your bacon. Season your bacon, ladies and gentlemen. That'll be the best tip you ever had in your life. Thank you so much for joining us. We really do appreciate it. I'm Jody Flanagan, your barbecue dad and Recteq expert. We'll see you at the Recteq.
Do.
Hey,
Do.
what's up, everybody who watched it live? Todd,
Recteq
Natito,
lifestyle.
Mike,
Set
Cody,
it and
Sean,
come get it.
Eric,
When
Chris,
the sun starts going down,
Ryan,
live your
Greg,
life the way
David,
you like.
Courtney,
It's
what's
the
up, Courtney?
Recteq
Shibble?
lifestyle.
Brad Patterson, Jill, Jill Messerly, Tom Taylor. Go Atlanta Thrashers. That's right, Atlanta Thrashers.
Recteq.